How to allow camera and microphone access to Facebook Messenger on PC. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily allow access to your camera and microphone on your Facebook Messenger on PC. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. The first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up your Chrome browser or any other browser that you use your Messenger on. And to allow your camera access, you'll have to open up a new tab. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner and then just head over to your settings menu. Tap on settings, and once you land on the settings page, on the left side of your navigation bar you'll have different options. You just want to head over to privacy and security, and from here just scroll down a bit until you see site settings. Just tap on it. And here you are just going to have to allow these permissions. So first of all, go ahead and tap on camera and see all of the sites that are allowed your camera access. So as you can see, the Messenger right now is not allowed the camera access. Click on this and you are going to go ahead and allow the camera access. Go ahead and click on allow, or if you want it to ask every time, you can do that as well, but I'm just going to allow it. And on the microphone, you're going to do the same. Click on the drop down and allow it. And once you have done that, it will be automatically saved, and now you can easily access your camera and microphone on your Facebook Messenger. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking the video down below and subscribing, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.